Welcome back, everybody. I have some best deals next week starting Sunday at Walgreens. There are a lot of spend deals. So if you are doing a spend deal with any spend boosters or paper, this could be a good week. I am looking myself personally for more clearance, cheap deals out of pocket. We have 4 for $10, Bounce, Downy, Febreze, Gain, and the Tide Simply. That's a good price, which comes around often. Now, also what we have back to back is buy one, get two free on the complete home storage bags. I buy these. I stocked up a little bit this week and I may do it again next week. And also, what we have is the Scott for $5, but we're getting a $1.25 Walgreens coupon. Remember, if you're doing a spend deal, that $1.25 is a $1.25 off of your balance. We have BioFreeze, buy one, get one 50, buy two, get a $5 in-store reward. And we also have $9.99 to $24.99 Gillette cartridges. Buy two, $6 in-store reward. Check for clearance on those. Garnier is good, 2 for $8. There's a coupon, I believe. Buy two, earn a $4 in-store reward. So that's practically free if you need this. We have $5 to $9 on Crest, Oral-B, Burt's Bees. Buy two, $5 in-store reward. And the Eucerin is buy one, get one 50 next week, but you have to spend 25. This week, it's not buy one, get one 50, and it's spend 20, get 10. And then we have $5.49 for Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs. Buy four, get $5 in-store reward. So that's not too bad. Let me know what you think in the comments below of these deals. But there are a lot of skin and makeup deals that are spend 25, get a $10 in-store reward. So you have to do them in store. And CoverGirl is one, which we're getting coupons, I believe. Buy one, get one 50% off is the deal. But unless it's going to be a relatively low out of pocket, I might personally skip the deal. But if you're doing a spend deal, we'll see what coupons we get, though, because you never know. Let me know what you think of these spend deals for next week for the makeup. We haven't gotten these in a while. So let me know what your favorite deal is. It's not a full ad preview. Go to walgreens.com to see all the deals. But definitely, if you could like, share, and subscribe, that would be great. Let me know your favorite deal. Are there any deals this week that you think are better than next week? I know I have a few, especially with the Aquaphor and Eucerin personally. But yeah, leave me a comment and have a great week.